Hello everyone, welcome back to Amaazbots. So if you guys have been looking for a new and working method on how to install Ksign on your iOS device, well then you have come to the right place. Whether you've been struggling with Revoke certificates or just can't find a working installation set, well then I will be showing you guys the simplest method on how to install Ksign on your iOS device. Anyways guys, let's get straight into today's video. Alright guys, so the first step would be to simply go ahead and open my website right here. So then guys, here simply navigate to the signers page right here. And what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on the Skibbity Tech DNS. Now the reason we do use this DNS is because it is the best DNS to prevent your device from getting blacklisted. Now when blacklist happens, it means that you are unable to sign or install Esign or Ksign on your iOS device, and it will lead to a revocation of the certificate. So if you're not blacklisted, you can still use revoke certificates, and in some cases every single cert that is out there. So make sure to go ahead and use the DNS, as it is the best and most reliable one out there. So just simply go ahead and click to install, and simply install the Skibbity right here. Just install it right there, and now simply click on continue, and then it should show this right here. And now simply go ahead and allow the configuration profile, and then simply close it right here. After that guys, simply go to your settings, and then here you should see that the profile is downloaded. Simply go ahead and click on it right there. Then simply go ahead and install the Skibbity Tech DNS. Just simply enter your passcode right there, and simply hit on install, and then install it right there, and simply click on done. After that, this bookmark should appear on your home screen right here. That means that it basically is installed and it should begin working. After that guys, simply open your browser once again, and then go back to the signers tab right here. Here guys, simply scroll down, and you should see that there are a bunch of Ksign versions and certs right here. So guys, you can try any one of these four, and I will add new certificates to it as well as soon as they do release. Now try any one of these to see if they work. Simply go ahead and click on install. Now just wait for it to load, and then it should take you right here. Then simply go ahead and click on Ksign right here. I will fix it so that it directly installs it from my website as well. Simply hit on allow, and then simply install it right here, and then you should see that it should begin installing on your home screen right there. Now let's wait for that to quickly finish installing right there. And after a while you should see that it is installed. Now when you click on it, it gives this error right here. Now most of the cases, for some of you, it does give the unable to verify integrity of the app error message. Now whenever that happens, that does mean that your device is blacklisted, or in some cases it means that the certificate is revoked. Now there are a few methods that you can use to actually get this fixed and not happen anymore. One of them, which would be the simplest, which is what I did, is actually factory reset and wipe my iPad. As you guys can see, it's brand new. I basically just wipe it right here, which is why there's basically nothing on it. I just wiped it like probably 10 minutes ago. So now it's a clean install, and the blacklist has been removed, because before this it was blacklisted and it was giving that error right here. But as you guys can see, it is working now. Now the second method would be to go ahead and purchase a paid private certificate. You can do it from a Flex store, which is probably one of the most reliable private cert providers. And they also provide you with Live Container, which is basically a very simple and easy signing platform, and also keeps your certificate unrevoked. Anyways guys, after that, simply go ahead and go to settings, and here you should find the enterprise right here. Simply go ahead and trust the enterprise app, and then simply click on allow and restart. Now your iOS device should restart. If not, just simply go ahead and hold the power button, and the Apple logo should appear right here. And then it should show this screen right here. Simply swipe up to continue. Simply go ahead and install the profile, and then just simply enter your passcode, and then now it should reboot right here. And then simply go ahead and open and unlock your iOS device. Now just wait for it to connect to the internet, And after that, once you open Ksign, you should see that it should begin working perfectly, and the certificate is valid and it is working perfectly. So as you guys can see, it is working right now. So go ahead, simply navigate to files. If you guys want to install any IPA file, simply click on the plus icon and click on import files. After that, just simply choose the IPA file you wish to install. I just do Nugget as it is the smallest app I could find. Simply click on open, and then it should give this right here, and then simply click on import to library. Now once imported to library, you should find downloaded apps right here. Simply click on it, then click on sign and install, and then simply go ahead and click on sign and install. Now go ahead and click on the install button right here, and now it should begin installing on your home screen right there. And as you guys can see, once it has been installed, it should begin working perfectly. And yeah, that's basically the easiest and simplest tutorial out there for Ksign. And if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Of course guys, I'll catch you all in the next video. Stay safe and have an amazing day. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.